back to my channel. It's Janet here, and today I've got a great treat for you. So today we're going to be doing a room tour of the Conrad Hotel in Midtown. We are going to be showing you a 1-bedroom suite with 1 king-size bed. So the Conrad, just for those of you who don't know, is the luxury line in the Hilton collection. We decided to do a staycation in our lovely hometown of New York City. So using some points and putting some cash towards it, we were able to spend a couple of nights in the heart of New York City. We're on 54th Street at the Conrad Midtown. So let's get started with the room tour. And if you guys are interested, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so as we come in, you can see, hi guys, the great long mirror we have at the beginning here. You have a lovely little bench as you come in. You can put your stuff down. And moving into the living room area. A little storage cabinet over here. Nice amount of light. There's a couch, coffee table, dining area. A great amount of light in this room. We have TV. I would say it's probably about a 50-inch, what it looks like. Taking you into the bedroom area. It is a one king-size bed in here, but they do have options. So if you guys wanted to, you can go ahead and get just a deluxe room. You don't have to even get a suite here. You can just get a deluxe room. Our room actually overlooks, let's say, 55th Street, so we're on the back side of the hotel. Not a great view, but we are in the heart of Manhattan, so not really going to be staring out the window. But it's clean, and that's the best thing about it, is it's clean, and it's really luxurious. It is the Conrad. I'll take you guys into the bathroom area. Oh, one thing, it looks like there's a TV in here. It is, I would say, probably about a 47, 45-inch. Okay, taking you in to the bathroom. Before we get in there, there is a closet here, open closet with some cabinets here as well. Just a nice bag. You can put some stuff in if you need to go out, take anything anywhere. There's shoe polish in here, shoe bag, and of course the packet for your laundry. Again, long full mirror here, which is really great. Then the bathroom. So we come into the bathroom. You have the terry cloth robes, which are such a nice touch, and some great amenities here. Aromatherapy. Associates in London, okay, and shower. Again, more aromatherapy products in here, but really nice shower. Great rainfall shower head. Toilet is in here on the side. Coming back out this way, you've got your hair dryer and extra towels here and a mirror. So if you want to get ready in the morning and do your makeup there, it's a perfect spot actually. All right, so that concludes our room tour of the Conrad, the 1-bedroom suite with 1 king-size bed. So please stay tuned. We're gonna have some more lovely videos coming up of our trip in New York City, our staycation trip, and we'd love for you to be part of our experience. Till next time, please stay tuned.